Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Fashion Wizardry here, aka Matilda, and today's video is going to be a Valentine's makeup tutorial. Now it's not going to be your normal, average, basic Valentine's makeup tutorial. Today we're gonna go really ham. So without any further ado, let's get straight into this. I don't know what that was, I'm sorry. I'm going to moisturize. I think you guys need to be up close. We are feeling the love this Valentine's Day. That's better. So I'm going to start with moisturizing my face using the Aloe Gold. It always feels so amazing to moisturize. It's like giving your skin that breath of life, like, there you go skin, have that to eat today. That's really weird. Now that my face is moisturized, wow, you know, all that. Yeah. Now that we have the moisture going on, I'm gonna do my brows off camera because you've seen that a million times already. And then we're gonna come snatch this face. So give me a hot minute. It will probably take me 58 minutes to do my brows, but it's okay. You don't need to know that. So, okay, the brows are now on the face, obviously. Okay. I'm going to move on to doing my foundation next, and then we can move on to the eyes. What is going on outside there? Fam. As I was saying, I'm now going to move on to doing my foundation, and my foundation today is going to be the Matte and Poreless. I haven't used this one in a while, so I'm going to use it today. But first, I'm going to prime my face. Obviously, I'd actually forgotten to do that. And my primer today is the LA Girl Pro Prep Prime. I have not used this in a while as well, so I'm just going to apply that in my T-zone, on my nose, my cheek area, and then rub the rest into my face. Now I'm going to go in with my foundation. So I'm just gonna, I just dropped that on my top. Great. Now I'm just gonna blend this into my skin. Coverage, girl. So actually, I'm curious, what are you doing for Valentine's Day? I'm gonna be chilling at home watching movies with Bae, so let me know what you are doing. One, because I'm nosy AF, and two, I might get ideas on what to do tomorrow. So I will be priming my lids with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. This is in the shade Amande. And I'm going to blend that with a brush.
Member of the Information Society. That's a difficult question.
With the eyes prepped, I'm going to set that with the Sacha buttercup powder, just to make sure our concealer isn't moving about and she stays put. You guys, have you watched The Sound of Music? Like, I feel like I need to watch it again. I watched it when I was really young, and it's a classic movie. Actually, that's what we might watch tomorrow. We'll see. Starting with the eye makeup. Wow, that's what we were doing. Taking the Joanna K palette, I'm going to reach into this color right here. This is bold, and I want this to be kind of like my blending color. You'll see what I mean. So I'm going to place it above my crease, and I'm going to really pack that on. So I'm gonna be generous with this. So as you can see, I am packing on the cake. So I'm gonna place it slightly into my crease as well, but I'm going to focus it directly above my crease mostly, and then blend it downwards. Just blend that out, make sure it's not too harsh, but I really want it to come through. I want this color to really show. Okay, now that bold is in the building, she is doing her job, she is coming through. I'm going to reach into my Eye Magic palette. I'm going to use the color Smoked, and I'm going to place this white on my crease because I want to darken bold a bit and to have her seamlessly transition into our lid color. So I'm gonna actually before I do that, today we're getting real Valentine's-y in this building. So I got this set of stickers from a bookshop. I got it from Textbook Center. the one at TRM, in case you are intrigued by what you see. I know you're wondering what kind of turn this video is making, so I have a bit of a confession to make. This is my second time attempting this makeup look. The first time I did it, I had this vision, and when I tried to execute it, it was not working out. Like, fam, it was a hot mess. So I decided I'd buy some stickers just to help bring my vision to life. I'm going to peel off 2 hearts that are the shape I want, like the size I want, not the shape. Obviously they're heart shapes, and I'm gonna place that on my lid. So this is what my stickers are looking like, and I'm just gonna take smoke and really pack it into my crease. Just going to take the brush I used on bold, and I'm gonna try blend smoked into bold. Okay, now that the colors look somewhat decent, I'm going to take Drama, which is this beautiful pink color right here. So I'm gonna place this all over my lid using my finger, and I'm gonna go on top of the heart as well, because I want to have like a heart shape that's not filled in when I take out the sticker.
Society.
Let's take this out and see what this looks like. Okay, so the sticker on this side fell out. She left the building. She was not interested in what I had to say, so I had to kind of make this work, and I think it's okay. I'm not gonna make the eyes the focus of this look. I really wanted the heart shapes to work out, but they had other agendas. What I'm going to do now is, I think I'm going to fill the hearts with a lighter color. I'm going to reach into Glow Getter, which is this beautiful pink tone shimmer, and I'm gonna pack that inside my heart. Hopefully this shows. I just want to set it in place such that you can see there's something going on there. I'm now going to do my lashes and be right back. That way we can finish everything. I still have an idea with the stickers, so I'm gonna see. Hopefully that works out. So now let me go put on my lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is a very natural kind of everyday lash. I think this is very wearable. You can wear this to the mall every day. These are very dramatic lashes. I got them off AliExpress, I think, ages ago, and I just felt like this look is in need of the drama. You thought we were done. The small hearts on the eyes, they're cute, they're there, but they're not really doing it for me. So we need a bit more pizzazz added to this look, and you're gonna see exactly what I'm talking about in a minute. But now I'm going to move on to concealer, and I'm going to use the same concealer, which is a NARS, and I'm going to use this to highlight my face. Let's just blend this concealer in. And I'm using a damp blender for this. Now that my concealer is all blended out, I'm going to set this with the Sacha buttercup powder just to make sure my concealer stays put throughout the day. Taking a powder brush and my Fit Me powder, this is in the shade Mocha. Yes, I'm gonna wipe this off just to make sure it doesn't make me look a bit ghostish. The reason I go extra heavy around my mouth area is because it tends to crease a lot. So I like that extra I just swallowed some powder. I like that extra bit of security given by the powder. So that's why I go in. Then I'm going to set every bit of my face with the same powder. Now I'm going to take Smoked on my brush, and I'm going to apply that on my bottom lash, bottom lid. Taking a pencil brush, I'm going to push Drama onto my bottom lid as well. Then I'm going to add some mascara to my bottom lashes. Now I'm going to lightly contour, mostly because I don't want it to be a dramatic kind of contour kind of day. So I'm going to take my sleek contour kit. All of it just fell to the floor. All of it. I'm not even joking. Anyway, I'm going to ignore that And I'm just going to contour my face just a bit. My forehead a bit. And my chin, my jawline, I guess. Taking my Black Up blush, this is a number 7. I'm just going to blush my face up and add a bit of color because I'm feeling like I'm looking a bit whoop. So to add a bit of highlight to my face, I'm reaching into the Kylie Bible palette, Old Edition, and I'm going to take this dark golden shade. I love this as a highlight shade. I think it's so beautiful. So I'm just gonna highlight a bit, nothing too dramatic, to be honest. Now it's time for the very exciting bit, which is something I've been looking forward to. I'm going to reach into my stickers again, and I'm going to randomly place them just across my face. I feel like that looks cute and it's not a bit too excessive. I'm going to go in with my Canvas Cosmetics Boss Lady lipstick. This is a very beautiful red lip and I'm just going to finish the look off with this. I feel like we need to do something different with this look just a tiny bit. I'm going to take off the stickers, but I'm going to do like shapes around the stickers. You'll see what I mean. So I'm going to take out these 2 stickers right here because I feel like I don't need them for this bit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to reach into the iMagic palette and I'm going to take Smoked. What I'm going to do is I'm going to dab Smoked onto the heart bits. I want to be left with kind of like a negative heart space. You'll see what I'm talking about.
How do I feel about being a member of the Information Society? That's a difficult question.
Okay, now I'm going to go back into the iMagic palette and I'm going to take this shade right here, which is Drama. I'm now going to go on top of the hearts with the pink shade Drama. And this is to just make it very pinkish and stand out. And taking a different brush, I'm just going to blend the edges. I don't know if that makes sense. I don't want it to look so harsh, so I'm just going in with a clean brush and cleaning up the edges a bit. You're sick in love, you're sick of love. It doesn't matter if you're alone or with a bae. This is gonna be the perfect makeup look for you. After that's done, as you can see, I have quite a lot of color on my cheeks. I'm now going to take off the stickers and you're going to be left with this beautiful empty hearts, which is what I was going for today. So let's take them out. Try not to smudge anything, that way you're left with like a perfect heart shape. And the last one comes off. Nice. Once you're done peeling out your stickers, this is what you're left with. Just your everyday basic, go to the mall, go pick up the kids from school kind of makeup look. Cooking meals for your husband, your boyfriend. This is the look that you should wear every day. Anyway, having said that, I hope you guys have the most wonderful Valentine's Day. Whether you're celebrating it alone or with your bae, just make sure you have a good time. It's one day out of the year. I don't think Valentine's should be the only day you appreciate your bae or yourself. It should be an all year round kind of thing, but obviously on this one special day you just have to go ham. So yeah, give your bae a little something, you know what I mean? And for yourself, take yourself out to eat, have a nice meal, watch some movies, just spend time with yourself. Anyway, I'm gonna go now to show my boyfriend what I have been working on for like 10 hours. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this video and I will see you in my next upload. Until then, bye!